Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021. First of all, you need to access Play Store on both of them and click on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Then select Open. Over here, you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Samsung, the other Samsung Samsung smartphone. Now select Receive on tablet and Send on smartphone. Then tap on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take some time, so I will go with only one. Tap on Send and click on Got it. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Samsung tablet, choosing Allow and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also just input this key here. And tap on Receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!